How to change age on Instagram. If you entered the wrong birth date when setting up your Instagram account or need to update it for any reason, you can change it in your settings. Keep in mind that Instagram uses your birth date to determine your age, and if you change it significantly, you may be asked to verify your identity. First, open the Instagram app and log into your account. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, tap the three lines at the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, select Account Center. On this screen, find and tap on Personal Details under Account Settings. Here, you will see the Date of Birth option. Tap on it, then select Edit. Now, you can change your birth date to the correct one. After making the change, follow the on-screen instructions to save it. Keep in mind that Instagram may ask for verification if you are changing your birth date significantly. That's how to change age on Instagram.